Welcome back everyone to another video here on Just Ask Danny, and on this week's video we're going to focus on 5 new updates from the Disneyland Resort that you need to know about. So let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Blue Bayou restaurant has now fully reopened at Disneyland Park. That means that reservations in advance are now available on the Disneyland app or on the Disneyland website at this location. It's no longer in its soft opening phase and is now fully available as the attraction Pirates of the Caribbean has also reopened. There's no more walls in the restaurant. You can fully see the attraction and the boats going by, and of course get to experience that ambiance that everyone comes to the Blue Bayou for. Now, of course, we kind of just hinted at this one during our last one, but coming in at number 4 is Pirates of the Caribbean has finally reopened at Disneyland Park. Following a lengthy refurbishment, the attraction has reopened to daily guests with an all-new outdoor queuing area, but no major changes inside the ride, and more importantly, nothing removed from the attraction as rumors might have suggested. The attraction is open every single day, of course, based on availability, but if you were excited to ride Pirates of the Caribbean on your upcoming visit, you can be happy to know that the attraction is now open and available. Coming in at number 3 is going to be the announcement of the resurfacing of the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage attraction at Disneyland Park. Now, following an over 2-year closure, this attraction finally has a reopening date, and that's going to be July 25th, 2022. Disney also shared some details about some changes that came to the attraction, including some brighter colors in the lagoon, some coral additions, as well as some new characters from Disney and Pixar's Finding Dory movie, like this one here, Hank the Septopus joining his seagull friends in the lagoon. But what do you guys think? Were you excited to see this attraction finally return, or were you hoping something might have replaced it in the future? Let me know in a comment below. Coming in at number 2 is going to be some preparation progress over at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. Of course, we know this hotel is going to be going through a major renovation change to become an all-new Disney Pixar themed hotel, but it looks like exterior preparation is being done to paint the building in its all-new color scheme, as well as some rumors swirling that the lobby is going to be shutting down soon as they completely renovate it to match the all-new theme. Now, of course, stay tuned to this channel because as soon as those lobby changes happen, we'll go ahead and update you here so you're prepared if you're planning on visiting this hotel for your next stay at the Disneyland Resort. Coming in at number 1 is going to be some new details that have emerged for Splash Mountain at Disneyland Park, but this also applies to Magic Kingdom Park as well at the Walt Disney World Resort. But Disney finally unveiled some additional information on the changes coming to this attraction. Now, as we know, Disney has already shared that this attraction is going to be changing to an all-new theme for Disney's Princess and the Frog movie. Now, what Disney just shared with us is the name for this attraction, and it's going to be called Tiana's Bayou Adventure. But not only that, Disney shared the opening date for this new attraction, which is going to be opening up simultaneously at the Walt Disney World Resort and Disneyland Resort in California in late 2024. Now, what Disney didn't share was a closing date for either attraction on either coast. However, typically this attraction goes down for its normal annual refurbishment in the January-February timeframe. So maybe we can expect the attraction to shut down in early January or February of 2023, reopening simultaneously in late 2024 with its all-new reimagined version of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. What do you think about this change? Let me know in a comment below, and thank you so much for watching this particular update at the Disneyland Resort. I hope you enjoyed this quick video format. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And if you haven't left a comment, please do that as well, as it really helps the video be pushed out by YouTube. And I just wanted to thank everyone again for watching this far. If you've gotten this far, go ahead and leave a comment below with JAD so I know you watched all the way to the very end. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and we will see you real soon.